All right, good evening. Judy Allen here. Yes, I'm doing another Johnny on the Spot coming online here to show you another kit because the BOGO sale begins on June 1st. And I want you to see as many kits as you can. It's all the way through the month of June, but it's while supplies last. So, if you see something cute and all that you want, I would suggest you get it, right? But you got to get two kits. Doesn't matter which ones you get. You can mix and match all you want. It's just in order to get buy one and get one half off, you have to buy two, right? So with that, this is a little smile card kit, and I love it. Yeah, I've already made it, so I'm going to show you what I've made and show you what's in the kit. And that's that. How about that? All right, Judy Allen, San Antonio, Texas. It's late, and I'm not an up all night person, but it seems that I am pulling up all night. Here with Adventurous Stampin, also known as Nana, was Zoe and Nana Stampin, so there you go. Life of the beach, right? All right, let's get it on those hands. Let me show you. All right, so as I showed before, the kits, so at least the cards, you can make cards and all come in a box just like this. So this differentiates for you what is stream paper pumpkin and what's not. I'm sorry about the shadows, but it's late, it's nighttime, and that's just what happens. Alright, so this is what's in the kit. This is a little small card kit. It's very beachy for all of those people. They're beachy. I've made mine, so I haven't decided if I'm going to give it as a gift or I'm going to actually give the box with it for my friends to actually make, and family members that like the beach. So it shows you the 4 designs of cards and what you need for each one when you make them. And like we showed, just like with the other kits, it's got all the instructions. It's actually got a ruler right here on the side for measurements so that you can do your measuring. Especially with this one, it's got ribbon in it. Or twine, however you want to call it. So there's your instructions. And it shows you everything that's supposed to be in the box that's right here. So absolutely, just like the other kits, this one has an ink spot. This particular one is Coastal Cabana. And we have a stamp set. The stamp set is all about the beach. Isn't that nice and cool? I love it. And with these kits, you get a block. Every time you get a kit, you get a block. You get an acrylic block. This particular kit had this twine type rope here. And then you had the glue dots. So you can see there's plenty left over and so forth. But this is the other cute thing that came with this kit. This is a pouch. It's a type of plastic. And it's got here so you can do this. And you can give this to a person as a gift or give away your cards. Or both, really, right? But look at here. I've made all of mine, and I'm just going to show you. Look at there. I love the sand dollars. I just love the whole beach look. It was very simple to make. I followed the directions. I just changed what message I stamped on there, but I love the sand dollars and all. All right? This one here has starfish, and again, I made both of them. It had the vellum here, or whatever it is, but this stuff is already all die cut. You're just assembling. Okay? And then this one here, this one's got another sand dollar. I love the beach. I love going to the beach. And there you go. See? I just changed out what I stamped on there, but I kept it. I didn't change around anything else because I liked it the way it was. And looky here, same thing. Again, we got some vellum already die cut out for you. Put on there. And look at these cute little envelopes. I love the envelopes. Here's one side of the envelope. And here's the other. And I know Zoe would say, I'm surprised, Nana, you're not going to sit there and dissect it and make something else out of it. But I'm not, because we're way stinking too cute. They're all stinking cute. But I already know I'm going to give this to somebody, right? I already know I'm going to give this to somebody. So this is a little smile card kit. If you want any more details, I've got the link there for it, so you can go look at it. But it's just a very, very cute little set. All right? And with that, this Nana is going to be signing off because I am not doing up all night tonight. I'm really going to get some sleep. So, Judy Allen here. It's all about, right, creating, sharing, and giving. So, this is going to someone. And I know I'm going to get another one. And it's just a matter of I'm going to give it to the person to make because they make cards. Or if I make it for them, just have it completed already for them. So there you go. All right. Until next time, go out there and create something. Later.